Hi guys, I'm gonna do these math help videos by walking through problems on the review sheet. I'm just gonna try to do this as fast as possible because it takes up a lot of memory on my computer. Okay, here we go. So the first thing is the third root of 7 over 9. I think is you gotta do a thing where you multiply by one thing over the other. But what you want to do, all you really want to do, is just get rid of the denominator in anything. That's the minimal thing you have to do. So you just like multiply this by 3 over 3, which is 1, and then you do 21 over 27. And since 27 is actually 3 cubed, you can actually you can get rid of the denominator. So that turns into 1 over 3 times the cube root of 21. Yeah. So what I did there was I turned the fraction into something that could be cube rooted. Since the 27 is 3 cubed, I turned the fraction into something that could be cube rooted, and I cube rooted it. When you get a thing like this, and when it comes to turning things into turning the fractions into something that you can cube root, or maybe even fourth root or square root, you want to get rid of the denominator. They don't like the denominator. Let's do the second one. It's 5 over 3 minus the square root of 2. So the same rule applies here, that they don't like having a denominator. You just want to get rid of the denominator. So you can multiply it by 3 plus root 2 over 3 plus root 2. And the reason why I'm doing this is because, do you remember like the thing we did before? Like the function x plus y times x minus y equals x squared minus y squared, or like how x plus 5 times x minus 5 is the same as x squared minus 25. So that's true for quadratic functions, and that's the rule that we're applying here to get rid of the denominator, or an irrational denominator. So what happens is 3 minus the square root of 2 times 3 plus the square root of 2 is the same as let me just write this out. Is the same as 3 squared minus the square root of 2 squared. And then of course you gotta multiply it in the numerator as well. So that's 15 plus 5 times root 2. And what happens is you're getting rid of an irrational denominator, and you turn it into 15 plus 5 times root 2 over 9 minus 2. And that's the new thing that you have. You get 15 plus 5 times root 2 over 7. And I think that's the answer. That should be the answer. So when you're simplifying things with exponents, remember what you're looking for is to get rid of irrational denominators. Yep, that's it. Bye.